I'm in the middle of changing my oil here, and I just realized I didn't have a funnel to pour the new oil in, so I just decided to be creative and thought I'd share that with you. Just take any plastic bottle or container that you have and just cut the bottom off. So that's what I did. I had this seltzer bottle here, and I just decided to cut the bottom off. So just do that, and then you stick this in there, and obviously you want to hold on to it tight, and just pour your oil in there, and that's all it really takes. Let me know if you've done anything like this, something creative to, as a funnel, or any other little tips and tricks that you have for auto repair, or auto related items. On my channel I do auto repair. I do kind of like do it yourself type of things, as well as kind of reviews of products here. And I just find that it's generally helpful to others. And if you have any helpful tips that you think might be useful to me, definitely let me know. I've done a video on changing my air filter in my car. I've done spark plugs. I'm going to do the spark plugs on my Mitsubishi in a couple weeks. Those are going to be under here. And I've changed fuses, so I got a video on that. I'm going to do my brakes soon. So let me know if you want me to do a video on brakes. Obviously my brake fluid's pretty dirty there. But maybe one on brakes, how to change them out. Power steering fluid, have you done that before? I'd be interested in kind of hearing, can you just like suck the fluid out of the top and just top it off, or what's your recommendations there? I also did a video on my old car on changing the coolant, so did that as well. So obviously you got to drain the fluid out of your radiator at the bottom. Definitely much harder on my former Mitsubishi, my Outlander, but those are the kind of things that I like to do here, and if they're helpful to you, would love to hear your comments. Thanks so much for watching the video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and definitely let me know what else I can do to provide you value. Thanks.